Hey, we have here today an integral from the University of Scranton Integration Bee 2019, problem 15. We have the integral from 0 to the square root of pi over 3, x over cosine squared x squared dx. Okay, the first thing I notice is x squared inside of a cosine is definitely a problem, but we can address that pretty easily. What I'm going to do is we're going to do a u substitution. I'll call that my u, just so that we don't have a square term inside the cosine. I'll take my derivative. So for du, we're going to have, this is going to be 2x dx. And what I'm going to do, we can notice that if I just multiply a 2 here, we're going to have the same denominator as our du, which is nice. So I'll multiply a half out front, so that we're only multiplying, we're not changing, we're multiplying by 1. Now let's make this substitution. So it's kind of an unusual bound that we have here, right? Square root of pi over 3. Well, we plug square root of pi over 3 into x squared, and we just get pi over 3. That's nice. We plug 0 in here, and we just have a 0. Like I said earlier, 2x dx is just our du. And then in the denominator, we're going to have just cosine squared u. And then the nice thing about that, cosine squared in the denominator is just going to be secant squared u du. Well, secant squared is a very well-known integral. That's just tangent. So when we integrate this, I'm going to have my 1/2, and we're going to have tan of u. And we're just going to evaluate that from 0 to pi over 3. Okay, so we have our half out front. I'll plug a pi over 3 in here. Tan at pi over 3 is square root of 3. Then we plug a 0. Tan at 0 is just 0. So it goes very quick. We're just going to have our solution multiplying square root of 3 by half, and we're going to have square root of 3 over 2. So that's it. Quick problem. Thanks everyone for watching today. Have a great day.